In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail labels, Ultimate Guide. By the end, you'll know how to set up labels, color code them, organize sub-labels, and even automate labeling so your inbox stays tidy with almost no effort. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and signing in. Look over to the left-hand sidebar. If you don't see many options, scroll down and click More to expand the full list. Keep scrolling until you see Create New Label, then click it. Give your label a clear, specific name so it's easy to recognize later. If you're already planning a structure, you can nest it under an existing label to build a simple hierarchy right away. Great for grouping related topics without clutter. Now, a quick but important distinction that trips up a lot of people. Labeling versus moving. When you select an email and click the label icon, you're tagging the message, but it stays in your inbox as well. That's perfect for marking something to revisit without removing it from your main view. If you click the Move to icon, the little folder with an arrow, Gmail applies the label and simultaneously archives the message. It leaves your inbox, but is safely stored under that label in the sidebar and remains fully searchable. Nothing is deleted. It's just filed away, so your inbox can stay focused. To make your system visually intuitive, add colors. Hover over any label in the sidebar, click the three dots, and choose Label Color. Use consistent colors for similar categories so your eyes immediately know what's what. You can also refine structure with nested labels. When creating or editing a label, check Nest Label under and pick the parent. For example, you might set up Work, then Projects, then a specific client beneath that. This helps you drill down quickly without creating an overwhelming list. For real time savers, set up filters to label emails automatically. Click in the Gmail search bar and open the Show Search Options panel. Enter criteria such as a sender or a keyword, like receipt. Click Create Filter, then check Apply the label and choose the label you want. If you prefer these emails to skip the inbox, check Skip the Inbox so they go straight to the label while staying searchable. This reduces noise and keeps your main view focused on what needs attention. With labels, colors, nested structure, and filters working together, Gmail becomes a powerful, low-maintenance filing system. Keep names short, review your labels occasionally, and let automation do the heavy lifting. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.